pace car against the Midwest Tennessee Trail.
Are there any backup pace cars on the premises? Because we might lose both of them. Okay, that's Aldrich over there. Okay, no. Yeah, that's the Madison one. Okay, who's behind the wheel around for you? Okay, Daryl's behind the wheel. Madison versus Rockford. We got a Ford up at WIR Mustang. Orange for whatever reason.